Magpasalamat po for the presence of PNFC sa mo ang LGU. Apart na ay PNP, but still dako kay tabang na mo ang presence of PNFC.
We ensure a safer environment for everyone and foster a deeper sense of trust and cooperation. May this day be a celebration of skill, camaraderie, and mutual respect as we strengthen our ties and reaffirm our sacred responsibility for peace and order.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the first PNFC is very active community relation. No? And that is very important.
Attention all units, this is the commander. The green light is on, the green light is on. On my command, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, execute, execute, execute.
For our first PNFC family, mga energetic na mga members. Last year, I think it was late last year that the provincial police office informed us ang atong HQ sa first PNFC needs to be transferred now because plano man gamito ng lugar dito sa Lahog dito sa HQ. So we're having this concern asa na to i-relocate ang atong team sa first PNFC. So that's why we did a lot of effort asa na to siya ipangitaan of lugar. So we approached a lot of good friends ng mga mayor, and one of the mayor that I approached is of course si Honorable Mayor Dumdum. By the way, we would like also to thank him for his exemplary support. Usag ni sa mga mayor of grabe good ka supportive.
To the men and women of the first PNFC, your presence inspires us as we pursue our mission of public safety and community partnership. Today's event is a testament to our collective commitment in promoting not only responsible gun ownership, but also a strong collaboration between law enforcement, stakeholders, and the community.
Papasalamat ko kay sa ilang presensya sa ato ang LGU and ang ato mga constituents. They are the witnesses unsa ang importansya sa presence sa ato ang mga PNFC and the PNP here sa Asturias.